Now this railroad swing bridge is in a fixed position. Is the New Jersey Transit line, Princeton Dinky railroad swing bridge across the Rotten and Delaware Canal, located in Princeton, New Jersey. See, look at this nice one. It look like it's a center-bearing swing bridge. You got rails on there. Now this is for rail traffic, right? And see, uh, yeah, and it used to swing for boats, though, but it doesn't swing any longer, so it is no longer in operation. But it's still in use for railroad traffic. So yeah, this is a plate, deck, girder plate, uh, girder swing bridge. So yeah, so it's located in Princeton, New Jersey, yeah, for close, close to vessel traffic, but it's still in use for the New Jersey Transit Line Railroad for its transit. So.